If I told you that the way I garden is very little work, you wouldn't know what I mean because you don't know what I call very little work. You might think that I meant I only work 6 hours a day instead of 12. So I'm going to tell you exactly how I garden. The reason is that I never plow or spade or cultivate or weed or hoe or use a fertilizer or use a poison spray or use a compost pile or water. I just plant and pick. The reason that I can do all this is because I keep my ground covered all year long on hay mulch, which rots, fertilizes the ground, keeps down the weeds, keeps the ground soft, and that's all there is to it. The hay around the garden is for two things. The main thing is to fertilize your soil, but the other thing that the hay does is keep your ground moist. In all of the over 35 years that I have planted this way, I have never had to water once. See, most people would cut those potatoes up with just one sprout in each piece of potato, but you don't have to, and I don't do anything I don't want to do unless I have to, and I don't have to. So there we are. I would go down there to garden, and the minute I got down there, I would take off all my clothes and garden naked. I've always loved the air on my body, and I never said a word to Fred about it one way or the other. It never occurred to me to mention it to him.
I think we're all going to get a little high on this morning.
I'm a little high already.